Alright guys, how are you? So today I'm going to explain an important concept. What are the counters, how to add a prisoners, and what are the important prisoners that we will add it to the Jmeter, and it is also used for performance testing. So generally you know that there are two type of counters we will monitor. That first is client side and second is server side. Client is nothing but is a browser side. So most of the actions we will perform in Jmeter in the browser side. So let's I have opened already this Jmeter and also record the script. Now what I can do is I will run the script. After run, I will explain what are the counters we will monitor, where we can actually look into this. And one more request, viewers, please view this video and subscribe this video. So I again repeat the same things. Please subscribe these videos to give more support to me. Thank you. So let's see that I will run the script first and then I will explain. So by most of the times we will go for the view result tree. So I will explain once I will run that. So just click on run button. Just observe that what are the counters that it will give. So if any errors is coming, it will display over here. Just observe that. I will explain that. Now the script is running, and one again I have requesting you to please view this video and subscribe this video. So I will do more videos in future. Now I will stop that. And coming to this view result tree, as you have seen that it is very important listener or report while we are working with performance testing. So it contains the three different tabs: sample result, request, what are the requests that are in, what is the response, that we will get it. So, so one more thing, so before run that, what I can need is this. So we have already done it. So these are the three important parameters that we will refer that. So even sometimes you know that we will refer the dynamic values also in this tab. So identify the dynamic value in response data, capture left and right boundaries and trace it in it. So these are the requests that it will be recorded. These are the requests. So in the request generally you can see that HTTPS, what is the server name and other details. What is the port number? These are the very important details. When you work with perform testing, you should be aware of these terms. What is the port number? What is the server? What is the client? What is the IP? What the protocol? So these are the must. These are the important things you must work with performance testing. So coming to our main intention is, so there are different type of views. By default we will use the view result tree. View result tree is nothing but it's a general report, like what is the sample results, that means what is the connection time, what is the size in bytes, what is the data type, and request, what are the requests, whether it is a get or post, and what is the response. These are the three different tabs. So we will result in table. This is the one of the important listener in Jmeter. So whether particular request, each thread we can consider the request, whether it is failed or pass, we can identify here. So by the status, if it is a red color, it is a green color. That's everything is pass. So this is one of the important parameter. Another parameter is, so there are three important factors any performance tool in performance testing. First is response time, throughput, and it's per second. So this is the one of the important report or a reasoner for performance testing in Jmeter. So here you can identify that what is the average value, what is the 90 percentile, 95, 99 percentile, maximum, and throughput. These are the important factor, throughput. So we will capture the throughput and send the same value to the client. So these are the one of the important counters you can remember. Aggregate report and summary report. When you go to the summary report is also almost same, but here throughput is not included, the remaining is the same, standard deviation, other things. And response time, as I have said that response time graph is very important. This is the response time graph. It will give it in milliseconds. Aggregate graph. So aggregate graph and aggregate report both are important. Please remember both are important. So in aggregate graph you can also identify that the same, what is the errors, what is the maximum value, but here throughput not included. Aggregate report, here throughput included. So aggregate report have added twice. So this is one of the important report. And view results in table, as we have already seen that this is the view results in table. These are the important listeners in Jmeter performance testing. If you want to add new any listener, what you can do is just go to the thread group, add listener. So there are the JPGC bytes throughput over time. So this is waiting for the samples. So one more time I will revert and run that. So if you want another report, what you can do is, what report you have, JPG 6 per second. So what I can do is, now I will run the test and see how the graphs will come. So response headers, what is the header, what is the HTTP, content type, content encoding, what is the content boundaries. So these are the results generally we can use while doing the performance testing using Jmeter, JPCB. This is the bytes. Throughput is nothing but you know that how many bytes that we are receiving, how much data that we are receiving. That is throughput. Okay. These are throughput graph, it's per second graph. So these are the important resonance we are using in Jmeter. Thanks viewers, thanks for the video. Please subscribe and view this video and share the video to your friends. And also comment your comments. Thank you very much.